The picture shows the processing of 40 cr large bars. The traditional production process requires rough processing on a heavy-duty cutting machine tool first, and then transfer to another device for precision processing. However, our CK76T-600 big steel cannon CNC machine, with its powerful heavy-duty cutting ability, can complete rough and precision processing in one stop. The secret is, after rough processing, it only takes 20 seconds to pause, and the material can be directly processed after cooling to room temperature. This innovative process significantly improves production efficiency. South CNC is your trusted partner.